What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be going over some of my trades, how I kind of invest it, why I do it, and basically how I get the feel of things. So, if you don't know, I use T.Y.E to basically study the patterns and all of that, but I just use Robinhood due to me being very comfortable with it, and it's just easy with my phone. And overall, yes, this is where I trade with, but on T.Y.E that is where I use the analytics and the fundamental side of it. So, but anyways, I have a kind of different style of trading. So I use margin trading, which basically means I have about double the value of this available, which I can buy and sell stocks with, which is close to $62,000. Now I do have some crypto, but this is has nothing to do with my day trade or swing trades. But overall, we will be going over some of my trades. So currently, these are my swing trade positions right here: Tesla, CLF, Bed Bath and Beyond, and Nikola. Tops, this is just a joke buy. Delta, Exxon, and Coca-Cola. Those are more some of my dividend stocks, which I will end up moving over to Webull sooner or later. But let's take a look at my TQQs. So right now I have 6,000 available in buying power. But if you see here, I have show more. We can see here market buy, right? August 14th, 50 shares at 127 for 6.3. Market sell at 6.493, so that was $120 profit, right? August, that's not bad, right? That was from a Friday to a Monday, ended up being a quick swing trade. Woke up with a nice $120 profit. Then again, on that same day, ended up buying it at 20 shares, right? And then ended up selling here for another $15 profit, which was 135, right? It was small. That's how much equity I had left after selling some of my Tesla stock. And then today I ended up doing a market buy, and then I did a market sell again, just a quick $50, right? I really don't. I prefer to have about 4 or 5 open positions with smaller capital than big capital. I ended up having 90 shares of Netflix, which actually ended up selling today. We can see that. We can go up to my Netflix here, and we can go down to my history. Yeah. So I ended up doing my limit sell. So I ended up buying this throughout time, right? Since like August 12th, I believe, is when I started buying it. Yeah, correct. Market buy 10 shares. August 10th was when I started buying it. Yeah, here's when I had a quick market buy and market sell. Market buy at 30 shares, 47, 10 shares, 10 shares, right? It ended up equating up to 90 shares, which I ended up selling 85 shares at 48.5. Then, because I ended up buying 5 shares the day beforehand, I was like, crap, I totally forgot about the limit order, so that was my fault, but I ended up selling that then at 48.13. So overall, I ended up having 90 shares, which equated to around $44,000. And while yeah, that's a good position to have, if I was not so confident in my um, technical side of reviewing Netflix, I for sure would not have done that because that ended up eating up all my equity. But overall, I like having more smaller trades. As you guys can see here, right? I have like 6 shares open on Tesla, which is about like a little under 12 grand. 2,000 shares of CLF, which is about 10 grand as well. 800 shares, I don't even know how much that is. That's about another $10,000, and 80 shares of Nikola, which is like $4,000. So overall, right, like quick swing trades, most likely, I will end up selling. Tesla for me, will be sold by the end of this week. I put my limit order in at 1920. That'll either sell. I don't think tomorrow will be the day for that. I think that'll be more Thursday. CLF, I know that'll definitely sell this weekend, if not next week. This is one of my most comfortable stocks I'm trading with, so I'm chilling on that. Bed Bath and Beyond, that'll be sold by tomorrow. Nikola, that's kind of more just like a long term kind of play. Could be tomorrow, could be a week from now. Doesn't really matter. Not a lot of equity, $3,000. But that's my trading strategy. I prefer to do some day trades, some swing trades. But if I see a position is right, just like with TQs, I will buy that position at the same price over and over again. Another example I can do, Bed Bath and Beyond. So it's currently at 12.23, right? My average cost was 12.19. So right now I'm up 31 bucks on that, and I put my limit order in at 12.35. But um, yeah, we can see my limit order, limit sell placed, and then on my history today we have on August 17th market buy, which was yesterday, right? 249.59. Just made a quick 31 bucks. Nothing special at all today. Market buy 6,000 at 12.22 and up selling at 12.33. And then again, I saw the same opportunity at 12.19, and then I'm like, I'll get a couple more shares at 12.20 because it was still under the original price I paid last time. Last time I wanted to get in at 12.20 and sell at 12.33, which I was 2 cents off, but I'll take it because I was still like 60 bucks on that trade. And then right here 12.19, and I'll be selling at 12.35. So I got in right at the positions I wanted to. Because if you see the same pattern over again, I will use that same buy and same sell. Same thing I did with TQs, right? Even if it's 50 bucks, if it's just 34 bucks. But, right, I ended up doing this one, which was like 31 bucks, nice and easy. Then this one ended up being 60 bucks, right? So now we're at 90. And then overall, this should be a total of then, if that's 12.20, that should be then a total of about another 100 to 150. So it's like the small things, right? Like a $50 trade here, $100 trade there, $200 trade there. That's how I like to trade it. Doesn't mean you guys have to. That's just how I like to trade it. Well, this is just kind of what I do, and it's only due to the fact that I have big equity, but I don't want to put all my chips in one stock because overall, since I have the amount of equity, I can also swing trade it. But I do like day trading overall, so I day trade it. But if it ends up going down to a certain point, I then end up, if I know it'll go up in the long run in a week or two, I'll never do anything over about 2 weeks. Then I'll be like, you know what, I'll just hold on to it and use the rest of my capital to do my day trades. But overall, that's kind of just my day trading strategy. Just thought I would show you my Robinhood account. So you guys know I'm not bullshitting you, right? As you can see on the week here, I'm up 2,300 bucks this week alone, and today I ended up being up $468. So overall, not a bad day. And yeah, it fluctuates a little bit due to Bitcoin Cash, and all my cryptos. But as you can see, it actually had a down day, so that affected me negatively. So I should be over $500 on the day, which is usually my goal. So, but yeah, and I have close to, I think it's $54,000 in margins because I have, if you guys go on Tesla, I still have a total of $10,000 buying power. Market value is 11,000, which makes it 21 grand. Then CLF, I have 12,000, so almost 13,000. So now I'm at 34 grand. Bed Bath and Beyond, 10,000, so I'm at 44 grand. And then Nikola, I am at 3,000. So yeah, about $50,000 is what I trade, and you guys can see Nikola took a huge dumping. That was totally my mistake. I went in on a quick day trade. My average cost was 44.81, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get out at 45. Or like it was 46 is what I wanted to get out at. That did not happen yesterday, so that was my fault. But overall, don't really care. It's 3 grand, and overall throughout time it'll end up going up once good news pops up again. And I can hold on to this for a week or two. It's not gonna affect me much. But yeah, that is basically all I got. So I trade with around $50,000, and I usually go into 4 or 5 positions. With around between to $20,000 depending on what position. And yeah, that's kind of my trading style. Hope you guys enjoy this quick view into my account and see how I manage it, and hopefully you liked it. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow with another video.